The guard link attaches to the blade guard and is responsible for lifting the guard as the saw blade is lowered. The link will tend to wear at both ends where it attaches to the guard and the saw. It can also be bent, which will cause the guard to bind. Replacing the guard link is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the guard link from the guard. And now I'll remove the screw that secures the guard link to the rear of the saw. Now I can install the new guard link. I'll resecure it to the rear of the saw. And now the front. I'll make sure that the link is aligned with the bushing. And that's how easy it is to install a new guard link on your miter saw. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up.